WeGoTrip discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I'm going to be telling you about WeGoTrips, and I'm going to be telling you how you can use it and get a discount. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So here you can see I'm on the website. Now first things first, what you want to do is you want to come over here and you want to go ahead and click on the account and sign up, and you can sign up by clicking the link in the description below. You'll also get a bunch of coupon codes and discount codes, so make sure you check out the link, and then once you've done that you can just simply click on the account and you can sign up. All right, so here we're going to click on the account and then we're going to click on sign up. And then I'm just simply going to continue with Google, but you can sign up using the link in the description below. All right, so now once you've signed in, you should be good to go. Next, all you got to do is just find where you want to go. All right, so let's say if we scroll down, we can see this is Amsterdam, Anne Frank, and Jewish quarters. Right, we got Prague, Old Town, and Jewish quarters. We got all these different locations we can go to. We got Barcelona, Amsterdam, Madrid, Paris, London, New York. You can go to any one of them and you can find a specific location over here on the search bar as well. But for now, I'm just simply going to search for New York over here. Click on the New York. And here we go. So in New York, you can see these are all the activities you can go ahead and do. You got museums, you've got memorials, you've got these, I don't know what this is. This might be documentary or an audio of sort. It says right here, self-guided audio tour. You've got all these different options. You can select whichever one you want and you should be good to go. So let's say I just pick a random one. I'll just pick this one, right? And then here you go. So next you can go ahead and add your participants over here and click on book now and you should be good to go. They also have a subscription model as well. So if you want, you can go with that one. If you click over here, get subscription, you can subscribe for $9.99 per month over here. And yeah, it's pretty cool. So if you want to subscribe to it, make sure you check the link in the description below and you get an easy promo code and a discount code that you can apply when you're signing up and, save a bunch of money. Same if you want to go ahead and purchase a ticket as well. So there you go. That's how you do it. That's how you can go ahead and save money on WeGoTrip. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.